In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a star in Facebook. So open Facebook and make sure your Facebook apps is up to date. Then find any page that you want to send a star. For example, I'm searching for this person and tap page, and after the selecting that person page and select any post that I can send a star. As you can see, here is mark. Tap on star mark. It's showing my current star balance is 0 and I can send that type of star like 1 to up to 300. So first of all, I need to buy star. So for that, tap on my balance account, and here is buying star, a bundle available here, 45 star for 121 BDT and 18 for 35 BDT. You can buy up to 1200 star for 2800 BDT. It depends on your local currency. So I'm going to buy that one. Tap on for 18 star. So I already added my dual currency debit card to my Facebook. So here showing my last card digit, here showing the amount, and then one tap to buy, and I need to give fingerprint to process. And as you can see, it is processing and it take few seconds and payment successful. That's mean a star credited to my Facebook star account. If I refresh here, as you can see here showing 18 star. So now I can send a star to anyone, any creator. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.